In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Whether you're cleaning up your spreadsheet or troubleshooting a formatting issue, removing conditional formatting can often be necessary for clearer data presentation. So, let's dive into this straightforward process. First, you'll want to open your desired Google Sheets document. Ensure you're signed into your Google account so you have access to your files. Once you've navigated to the specific spreadsheet you're working with, the next step is to identify the cells that are currently affected by conditional formatting. If you have multiple cells with rules applied, you'll need to select each one individually or drag to highlight a range of cells that share the same formatting conditions. Now that you have selected the cells with conditional formatting, look towards the top of your screen for the menu bar and click on Format. This action prompts a drop-down menu to appear, presenting you with several formatting options. From this list, you'll want to choose the option that says Conditional Formatting. Selecting this will open a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen that outlines all the current conditional formatting rules that have been applied to the selected cells. In the sidebar, you'll see a list of rules. Each rule defines specific criteria that trigger the formatting applied to your selected cells. To remove these, locate the Delete button, typically symbolized by a trash can icon on the sidebar. Click this icon to delete the individual rule you wish to disband. If you have multiple rules applied and wish to remove them all, you'll need to click the delete icon for each one. Be sure to double-check which rules you're deleting to ensure you're only removing those you no longer need. Upon clicking delete, you might notice the immediate return to standard formatting, indicating the removal of conditional rules. This change might not always be visually striking, but it restores the cells to the default setup, devoid of any automated coloring or changes previously dictated by conditional rules. Now, if you have highlights or want to review the changes with a broader view, you might use the highlight option by selecting certain areas of your sheet to see the differences more clearly. As you work through removing rules, take a moment to appreciate how this simplification can enhance your data's clarity by eliminating any potential for misinterpretation caused by unintended formatting cues. And there you have it, a clear path to removing conditional formatting in Google Sheets, helping you maintain organized and easy-to-read spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below.